Check this out. This channel right here, only 37 videos, just over 6,000 subscribers, and one of their videos has already amassed over 900,000 views. This channel is already monetized and making thousands of dollars right now. And this channel, over 33,000 subscribers, and one of their videos has crossed over 5 million views. Let me say that again. 5 million views with only 35 videos uploaded. And the best part? They're not professional animators. They're not using Blender or expensive software. All they're doing is using AI to turn simple scripts into full Zootopia-style 3D animated stories with a few clicks of the mouse button. That's it. And they're making serious money on YouTube doing it right now. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do the same thing, step by step, start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your own full 3D animated movies. The first step is to create your story script using ChatGPT. Every animation starts with a solid script. It's what holds everything together. To make this process simple, I've created a prompt that generates a full story along with detailed character descriptions. I'll share this prompt for free on our Telegram and WhatsApp channels, so you can just copy and use it directly. Take the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. It will generate a complete story within seconds. But more importantly, it will also create detailed character descriptions. This matters because consistent characters are what make your animation look professional. If you want, you can tweak the prompt to match your own story idea or adjust it for a different video length. You still have full control over the creative direction. Now we need to turn that script into visuals, and this is where most people run into problems. With most AI tools, the typical workflow looks like this. You write an image prompt for every single scene, generate each image one by one, and then animate each image separately. But there's a much easier way. Instead of doing all of that manually, you can use a tool called Katalist AI, an all-in-one AI video production studio. What Katalist does is take your entire script and automatically convert it into a full storyboard. It identifies your characters, your scenes, and your visual structure, all in one click. That alone removes the hardest and most time-consuming part of the process. Go to Katalist AI and click Start for free, then sign into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see several templates. These can be useful, but since we already have a script ready, click on New Project and then select Generate from Script. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the story you generated, and paste it into the input box. Now you'll need to choose the number of scenes. This controls the pacing and duration of your story. More scenes means smoother, more detailed storytelling, while fewer scenes makes the video shorter and faster paced. For a 30-minute video, you'll obviously need a lot more scenes, like 50 scenes. But for this demonstration, I will go with a 1-minute video, so I will select 10 scenes. Once you've selected the number of scenes, click Generate Script. The AI will automatically break your story into separate scenes. You can edit any scene by clicking on the pencil button. Select your preferred aspect ratio. When it's done, click Next to continue. Now you'll choose your visual style. Since we're going for a Zootopia-style 3D animated look, select Computer Animation. This ensures your characters and environments have that polished, professional 3D style. You can also change the aspect ratio. Click Proceed to Cast. After that, the tool will automatically generate your characters based on the descriptions in your script. This is one of Katalyst's strongest features. It reads your character descriptions and creates consistent character designs across all scenes. But if you want more accuracy or control, you can edit the characters or build them from scratch. To do that, click Edit, then click on Change Appearance. Now select Create from Scratch. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the character description, paste it in, and click Generate. The AI will create a more accurate character based on your exact description. Click on Save. Now, repeat this for each character in your story. Once everything looks good, click Create Project. The tool will then automatically generate images for every scene. This step is usually pretty fast. Once the images are generated, You can review each scene individually. If you need to, you can add new scenes, regenerate any scene that doesn't look right, or make edits. You can add a new frame if you want. This gives you the flexibility to fine-tune things before moving on to animation. Now for the animation. You'll see a Create Video option. Clicking it lets you animate the scenes. It will take you to the timeline section. Here you'll see all your scenes laid out in order. Click Generate All Videos to animate everything at once. You'll be asked to choose a video generation model. Options include VO 3.1, Kling, Sora, and others. Each model has its strengths. Some produce more realistic motion, others are faster or use fewer credits, so it's worth choosing based on what matters most to you. For this example, I'll go with Sora 2. Click Generate, and within a few minutes, the AI will animate your entire story automatically. This is where it all comes together. Your script turns into a fully animated video. And if any scene doesn't look right, you can always go back and fix individual scenes manually. Next, go to the audio section. Here you can upload background music or add narration. To add a narrator, paste your script text, select a voice, and click Generate. There's also an auto narration option that creates narration for each scene automatically. Sometimes the AI will fail to generate all the clips. You can simply regenerate them. In this example though, since I used the Sora 2 model, the animation clips already came with dialogue, music, and sound effects built in, so I don't need to add narration separately. Once everything is ready, click Export, then download it. And just like that, your full 3D animated story is done. Let's preview it.
Need a hand?
I've got it. Maybe.
Fresh from the jar, just the way you like.
You're a lifesaver. Smells perfect.
Anything for you.
Thank you.
Fresh out of the brine. Only the best.
They're perfect for my craving. See? It's not so bad. The powder helps it heal. It feels...
What just came in the mail? The pattern for the festival scarf.
Let me see. They look lovely.
Morning! I found the second clue.
Perfect timing. The duck's ready to help.
And I've got all...
Says Gazetta Capimo? Did I even spell it right?
Close enough. The confetti.
Oh, it's moving.
All right, winding's done. Ready?
Recording.
There it goes.
Hold it steady, sweetheart.
Come on, little guy. Show us what you got.
Look at him.
Clap, clap!
Look at this.